Hi all, hope you're having a good day wherever you are in the world. I'm back in Aviate Discord group and about to get their rewards. So let's just go through the comments and stuff. So this is not my opinion or anything like that. I might chip in a bit now and again, but this is people's opinion in the Discord. What I will say about this Discord is that people are now not getting banned as much anyway. Okay, people are saying, straight talking and being allowed to say things, and they're not getting banned. I guess. So let's just have a look at what's been going on. So I can't believe bots don't make money for 8 weeks straight. I can. I've lost half of those with my bots on the Forex and gold markets. Okay, so what's your pick for the returns this week? I'm thinking 0.9%. Okay, this guy's put 0.05%, and this guy said, I'll take 1%. And this wag here is put, I've got 0.53 cents from 2 weeks. I wonder if I'll crack $1 total. This or lower. Why don't we start a little bet, see who gets closest to the reward rate? I'll wager 10 AVI. So that's the token, which at the moment is 0.46. It was $1 to begin with, and it's obviously halved its value. So basically, if you want to get out of this project, you're going to lose more than half your money. Can't believe bots don't make money for 8 weeks straight. They made 35,000, but that's not much for 8 weeks, trading with $1.6 million. It will swing back around though. I don't like these comments here. They say it will swing back around though. How do you know it? They could lose money. All right. How do they know that? They don't, is the answer. I've got 53 cents from 2 weeks. I wonder if I'll crack $1. Will be hard to tip it up. Excited to see the payout today. Maybe another 0.00003% from these guys. Incredible public ready bots. Yes, I'm being salty, rightfully. So I'm literally trapped in this project. Well, I've made 3% this week on GLQ and wondering why you guys can't get 1% on main coins. That's really odd. Almost every coin was up this week and good profit was to be made. The bots that Aviate have purchased don't seem to be well suited for the current climate, or they just had a really good streak when Joss was using them and now they're dead in the water. That's definitely happened with a few bots I've tried in the past. They work great for a while, then all of a sudden they go south. What was the return this week? My rewards haven't changed. Last 2 months was really rough, but if you follow what's happening, you could really make a few bucks. I did. Okay, so that's outside of Aviate. I would advocate for pivoting to other bots sooner than 2 months. I don't think it's worth it to wait so long, but Josh feels otherwise. I hadn't claimed in a couple of weeks, so I'm not sure if today's rewards are included in my pending. Did you guys get the new USDC yet? I haven't claimed in a couple of weeks. No, not yet. What was the return this week? Like 0.05%. Scratch that. I see him now. I get more in an hour. Got 0.38% dollars for 1111 AVI stake. So he's got back 38 cents for about $500. And this guy's got $2.70 on nearly 8,000 AVI tokens. Made 5% on Phantom alone. I'm slowly working my way to being able to buy a can of Coke or cola. Ooh, I just got 13 cents. And then Joshua's written, guys, this will not continue. Again, how does he know? Why won't it continue? They might even lose money. He shouldn't be saying things like that. So that's Joshua, who's the CEO of Aviate. And this guy's just put, sure. Changes will be implemented if it does long term. Until a change is made, it seems it will. Please consider pivoting sooner than 2 months, even if it's just a small portion of capital. Dude. With all due respect, we agree a change is required. KuCoin bots get better profits. Can you confirm that all 5 bots are running as was the plan? 4 crypto and 1 Forex. All right. So the idea was there would have 4 different bots with different varying levels of risk. In fact, I'll just play this from Dow King.
Where you want to go, but it looks like from React's something like that.
Look,
So just rewind this.
We have there just to kind of diversify the risk, as I was saying earlier. So the low risk, medium risk, and high risk, they all actually do the same strategy, but just on different leverage levels.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay, so the lower.
So you can see these are the bot details. These are the 5 bots. Forex bot doing 10 to 20% per month. So this is in their, they're at their white paper. They're saying that the Forex bot does 10 to 20%. The low risk crypto bot does 8% average per month. Medium risk crypto bot 10 to 15% per month. High risk bot 15 to 25% per month. The truth bot does 20 to 40% per month. That's kind of what they promised in the white paper. So changes made, it seems. Please consider pivoting. We can consider this. I'll announce it. I'll announce our decision. Yeah, the bots, the 5 bots. Yeah. You guys got over $1 million of our money. Sounds good. Okay, thanks. Just seems weird that all 5 bots are not performing for this long. I could see it if it were 1 or 2 bots. Okay, and can we see what trades the Forex bots made this week, or bot rather? So all the time, the people in this group are constantly asking for screenshots, spreadsheets, profit and loss, that kind of thing. And it's like in a minute, soon, whatever kind of excuse. Staking stables is a better option until you're ready with new bots. Forex has been doing just fine for me personally, so just curious what trades our bots took. Again, you're not getting that information. Would be better return on stables. Oh, yeah, it's hard. Josh, it's basically just super slow. They are built to not lose money. They're not built to make any money either, by the looks of it. That's why they're institutional. Unfortunately, sometimes this is at the cost of producing high yields. So that's basically what they're defining as an institutional trading bot. It's one that deals with a lot of money and doesn't piss it up the wall, basically. That's kind of what he's saying. Keep in mind the team gets their money from bot profits, as well as everyone's in the same boat here. We have a team of seasoned traders that will find a way to make this work. I think we're probably going to be done with these bots. My 10K is now 5K. Okay, because the Aviate price has gone down, has halved, more than halved. Yeah, but they should make up a much smaller portion of our trading portfolio. Don't sell, we'll make it right. I'm down 50%. Get what you're saying. I think risk management should be first priority with any bot project. I invested a good amount because of the idea that multiple bots were going to offset each other. Just seems unlikely that all would be basically not performing for 6 to 7 weeks, whatever it has been. I think though he says in this that they're all bots do the same thing, but different leverage. I put more money to drip, and although it's down, I'm making more, a lot more. I don't understand this. There's all this historical data on these bots. Are there periods in that history that were this slow? I love your project, Joshua, but it's got nothing to do with what you said it will. Josh mentioned on the AMA that there were slow periods, yeah, during his testing time. but they've had 2 months, I think, already. And not a single week has been any good. Volume is just horrible at the moment, man. We just need to be patient and let things even out. There are slow periods in trading. Well, that they averaged out to 10 to 20% per month. For that to happen now, we'd have to have some incredible weeks ahead. Well, I make a lot more on KuCoin bots than in here, 10 times more. 10 times more in drip. You can be a lot riskier on personal accounts. We can't afford to lose, or thousands of people lose their investment. Seasoned traders don't make 0.1% per week, joke. Already down almost 6%, so still seems risky at this point. Season 0.035 if my calcs are correct. Yeah, it's actually less risky as I make money literally every day. Lost a lot, that's a fact, but made all back plus 20%. Again, I still live this project. I guess it means love this project. What's going on with Michael's bot? It was making near 1% per day. How much do we have in it? How is it doing? So that's the truth bot, I think. This returns are starting to get ridiculous, but you initially said 10 to 20%, and that was absolute BS. What's going on in Michael's bot? They slowed down due to lack of volume. Yeah, Truth Seekers was on 1% a day. So yeah, Lou did a video saying 30% in a month. So that'd make it 1% a day. A live stream of the bot's breakdown would go a long way, like we discussed before. So again, this is something that's been discussed in the Discord and doesn't seem to happen. It's always mañana, pretty much. Joshua, can we discuss this now? I've DM'd you like you asked, and now they silent. Truth seekers don't give a shit. That just hype projects. Okay, so yeah, I made videos on that before. Over promising, under delivering. Some do actually, but our team makes a lot more on average. Okay, so let's just go back to that. Yeah, but some seasons traders don't make 0.1% per week. Some do actually, but our team makes a lot more on average. Okay. And it says here, what are you talking about? You saw the returns so far. So these seasoned traders that they've got, you know, he's saying that ours make a lot more. and now the returns are like garbage. It's just terrible. Okay, I'll do 100K. Can I have 1% bot, please? Okay, what is odd is that no results of trades can be produced, yet every single one of my Astrobits bots are updated literally when a trade is entered, closed, etc. Even places like Wolf Capital have Telegram groups set up with their live trades. What's the contract address holding all of our funds? Okay, so none of this information is kind of being transparent. What was the payout this week? Our teams of traders have been trading a lot longer than 8 weeks and making a lot more than 0.1% per week. This is a fact. The majority of the funds are sent to KuCoin and Bybit. That's where all the trading happens. The only funds left on chain is 277,000 in the treasury. What was the percentage this week? Okay, got it. Why no export? Basic profit and loss. Question not to you, but those in charge. What was the percentage this week? Nothing. And then he's worked it out to 0.035%, I believe. So that's the percentage profit for this week. Our team of traders have been trading a lot longer than anyway. I don't really care what the traders did before. Right now, this whole month is tending to zero. Okay, I've asked for the same thing, man, along with many others in here. They're working on a live sheet. But I fail to understand why trade history for each week can't be provided in the interim. Yep. So if it's taken a while for this, Joshua sort of given the excuse that, well, if I do that, I take that 5 minutes to take a screenshot, it's going to take away from my time to this live feed, live sheet, which seems a bit of a ropey excuse, especially when people are so annoyed in this group. Wow, so in a month we haven't made anything and the value of Aviate is down, so we actually lost a decent amount. I don't really care what the traders did before right now. Sorry man, these bots are just trying to limit risk and it's risky to trade with low volume. That's what I calculated as well. Ouch, 2 payouts and they still haven't reached 30 cents. Still no word on the NFTs. I'm here. I hear you, good on you, brother, for fighting the good fight. I've been in DeFi long enough to only put lotto money in. When teams don't show transparency, that means only one other option. Without saying it and getting the ban hammer, let's just say I love Aladdin. Ouch, 2 payouts and still don't reach 30 cents. That's rough, mate. The bots will do better if you were patient. I think they've been pretty patient so far. 2 months now for the NFTs. I understand how it works. They're just waiting for the specific set on indicators and afraid to lose. I honestly, at this moment, would just get my money back and get out. It's getting ridiculous. Laughing out loud. You mean carpet? They always be patient. They always say be patient. Just pray price goes back to $1 and get out. I'm sure a lot of people will do the same. It won't just go up. It will if there are profits. Tokens are not worth selling, so I kind of got hold for now. Hope you can get it going soon. Price will never get to $1. Damn shame. Don't see it at $1 again. They don't actually have to say anything. What I've learned from the space is you put it in, you live with it. The worrying in between does nothing. You don't trust the team project. You sell, you move on. Worrying is actually the most insane thing to do. This project is a scam. It's not a scam. It's just not handled well. Okay, so again, these are these guys' opinions. I'm just reading it out, really, and chipping in now and again. So I have no idea whether it's a scam or not. Why not export a quick profit and loss snapshot and snapshot of the balance of the account? Yeah, I mean, why don't they do that? It's really quick. I mean, I can just hit print screen, get an image in whatever program, dump it up there. You know, it's literally a 5-minute job. This project's a scam. Each week it passes, it feels farther than what was advertised. Okay. Logical, but it's hard not to. Don't know. Yeah, man, I understand frustrated you must be. The bot devs are very good and should be able to get rewards going. Not much to go off but words, I'm afraid, but that's all we can do until the bots start performing as they have in the past. Most investors will be worried with how our yields are going. Okay, and then this guy said, the guys are just using the investors' money to make profits while they publish bullshit logs. Okay, no, this is illegal. I made 200 profits in May. Pulling for the team. Why not post a quick snapshot of the profit and loss and account balance? Again, another pretty realistic question to ask and not getting delivered on that front. You're telling your super duper institution bots can't make shit. No, this is illegal. We don't have any proof of otherwise. Okay, so this is the frustration, you know, that they're getting absolutely zero proof that they're doing what they are saying they're doing. They just want transparency and they're not getting it. You know, they got $1.6 million of money, I think. And then this person put this, yeah, why can't we just do that? And this puts, but can't accept that. There was enough volatility. When is this show ending and the price is pushed to $1 and liquidity at med so people can exit? Ban me if you want, but here's the thing. No profit and loss snapshot, no screenshot means you've rugged it. It literally takes 1 minute. Okay. So he's thinking it's rugged. Volatility is useless without volume. Dude, you took our money, promised 10 to 20% a month and never deliver. Now our investment is worth 50% of the initial and no profits given. Fix it or rug. Obviously, your boys don't work. I think I mean your bots don't work. Volatility is useless without volume. It's too unpredictable. You should rather invest in subscription with blockchain whispers. Maybe the problem is that truth seekers did not deliver the bots they promised. And it's time to alert Zach. I'm not sure who Zach is. That is a problem. Just change the focus. I can't believe that this project just took $1 million to say, oops, sorry guys, we miscalculated. There are a few other programs that I'm in that perform quite well. Maybe they just need to tweak a few things. Truth seekers don't give a fuck. That's shit. How do you expect people to trust you like that? I mean, you would be fired and blacklisted from the corporate world if you did this shit. Josh didn't miscalculate. The market took a turn. It's only because of crypto world that you survive. That is called miscalculation, my friend. So Josh didn't miscalculate. The market took a turn, and then he's put sure. Then you go short. Okay, so you got long and you got short. So and they've admitted that they can do long and short trades. At least give me the NFT. But like what you guys are saying, why not just show a screenshot that is so easy? Just log in, snap a picture, and share it to us. Simple. Damn Lubots. What happened with the Forex bot this week? There were significant moves when news of the debt ceiling deal came out. Exactly. And surely there must have been some volume and whatnot in that Forex. I don't follow Forex, but yeah. No, Josh always said that risk and anything can happen with trading. There was no way of predicting the market losing volume in this way. You should have listened to what Josh said before investing. Well, he said on average, they get all this. And the miles off it. So 2 payouts hardly reached 30 cents, down 50% on the token. Could you let us know some more specifics? Exactly what took a turn? And no more complaints on the server, win-win. I send you a DM. It's not a short or long thing, it's a volume thing. Best rebuttal in the world, read the terms and conditions before investing. You're going down a route where you're blaming people for putting in money into a DeFi project where we literally have customer support through a gamer's platform. Okay, think before you type. I mean, yeah, it's pretty shoddy having like Discord. How can we know that the logs you post are genuine? How can a project taking in millions not account for a market took a turn? No, mate, sorry. Someone was just misquoting what Josh said. We'll obviously stick to our promises, and the bots performing poorly is on us. It's not a short or long term, it's a volume thing. Volume is a factor, sure, but if you trade, it doesn't matter. Have you ever traded futures? Well, they are trading futures. Oh, no. Actually, no, I don't think they are trading futures. How can we know that the logs you post are genuine? We don't at the moment. It's trust. Thanks for a positive week, Aviate. Keep working hard. I have faith. That's what I'm saying. If the bloody bots can't do shit, take a subscription of people, real people, with years of experience and results. Respect couldn't be loaded, whatever that was. See, you still have people with faith. I'm sure you won't lose many that want to exit. Nice. I like how both Albeck and Joshua ignored it. Anyone in DeFi long enough knows that a team who can't give you a basic snapshot of the profit and loss and account balance means it was transferred to a SEX, then more than likely tornado already, meaning that your money is gone. Most investors will be worried about that. Yeah, okay. Just know that amongst the vocal people speaking their mind, there are also those supporting you. So don't do anything rash. Be rational and make good decisions. Volume matters in trading. Is our money gone, Joshua? I'll DM Zach on CT and see if he wants to take it up or nah. Good luck, folks. Money's still there, mate. Josh showed his face. He's not gonna rug. Money is gone, bro. A lot of people show their face and rug. PGV. It's about transparency, not a face. Volume matters in trading. Yes, it does, but you still trade the same way. Go and short BTC now. Will the volume matter if you do 10 or 3x? It's about transparency, not a face. Bingo! It's actually smart to transfer to Bybit KuCoin first. It's almost impossible to trace it to Tornado from there, adding 2 levels of cycling. Even if this project is legit, highly unlikely at this point, would love if I'm proven wrong. The kind of unprofessionalism from a team speaks for itself. Was it transferred to Bybit pre-KYC? Money is not gone, I can show you that. All that has happened is 2 slow months and everyone is panicking. I can see why, as everyone probably has PTSD from DeFi, lol. But this is legitimate. The bots will start to perform. Just give Josh and the bot devs a bit more time. Yeah, like I said, how do you know? You're making a promise there. The bots will start to perform. I mean, we'll make them perform. Why didn't you make them perform this week? Okay, you can't say things like that. It's just a really bad thing to say. Money's still there. Where's my payout not received? Listen, man, I know you're hide from larger crypto mod companies outsource so you can care less here. But no profit and loss or snapshot means it's been rugged. Where's my payout? I gotta be honest. Yes, I have PTSD from DeFi and not a laughing matter after this full bear market of rug projects. The trust is not building here either. It's just not possible for sophisticated bots for hundreds of thousands and prolific traders with millions of dollars to not make any profits or make 0.035%. There's no point in taking a snapshot, as you can easily fake them. Doesn't prove anything. Okay, but I think they'd like to have it. If you just took a snapshot, why don't you just stick it up there? And then people say, well, it's fake. Why would you take a snapshot with really poor profits anyway? They could just make it up and say this is 1% or something like that. It hasn't been rugged. Now we're reaching somewhere. Bro, it's gone. No live stream, no nothing, proving the funds are there, which they sort of said they would do. How about you just don't fake them then? Stop using this as an excuse. The community has asked for it, and we've been told, no, that's not what you want. That's the exact thing. You can easily fake it. Don't get involved in unnecessary arguments here and get it to sort the real query. Logs you are posting are fake. I know you're only doing your best. There is no way we can verify if they are real. I am asking for my payout, and this is a real query, so sort it out. Against the very nature of crypto. Percentage was low this week. What's your total stake size? Agree, mods shouldn't take the brunt. Most are just en masse outsourced folks. It's fucking centralized shit. Joshua, when a proper refund or fair claim mechanism? What is happening now? Facts, please. Bro, it's gone. He's logged out. Your payout is 0.03 cents. Dollars. I fear this is turning into just another Truth Seekers project. That's nice. Here's your bad rewards. See you someday. Thanks. How to check whether it's paid to me or not. By the way, Albert, it's your duty to reply to this, but you're involved in other unnecessary stuff. Price of Aviate has gone to shit. People are losing money, while the Aviate owner are making money, both because the Aviate price is going down, so investors are getting less back, also by using investors' money to make profits. Again, this is these guys saying this, not me. I'm just reading out the comments. I got money in Cyprus and it's 9.24%, better than Aviate. You'd see it on the staking down. Okay. Josh, I know some months are slow. What's the total percentage I can expect in 12 months without compounding? I'm assuming 120% to 240% from what you said, Josh, in the beginning, based on monthly 10 to 20% of I average it out. I mean, you can point to almost anything. If it's positive, it's better than Aviate at the moment, laughing out loud. I'm down 50%. He's logged off, and apparently this has turned into a rug. Welcome to your Saturday. This is not a rug, people. I just overreacting to a slow week. This is the nature of trading. Unfortunately, it happens. Well, they mentioned a slow week, but this has gone on for several weeks now. I'll eat a shoe if this isn't a rug. Okay, yeah, for 2 months now. Truth Seekers was in 1% a day. We're on 1% a year. Let's talk to Truth Seekers, see what they say. True, but these slow periods happens. There's extremely low volume at the moment. Need further proof it rugged? Dow King has scrubbed everything of Aviate. Truth Seekers also claim they don't have an active engagement here. Wait, he's logged in. Okay, so that's not true because Dow King's channel has got this Aviate video, so he hasn't scrubbed the Aviate video that he had before. Truth Seekers are literally scamming people. Now they got into Bitcoin mining using our money. Their coin is 50% down. So he's on about the Truth token, I think. He's saying, why scrub Aviate from socials? He hasn't. You sure? I just checked private. It's not private. It's definitely not private because I could play it, which is there. If this is your first rug, this is what it looks like. People trying to defend. NFT not delivered, APY not fixed, and false advertisement on DApp. Request for logs not provided. Nothing delivered, anything remotely close to what was promoted. The optics do not look good here, Aviate. Get your shit together. You guys need to chill. Bro, your money's gone. Volume doesn't matter when you do futures. Could you give Aviate tokens to holders when the bots perform significantly low? 0.87 last week on my $2,500. Beautiful. Volume is an excuse. Just trade with profits if you can't refund. I wish there was a report that told us how much the distribution was, like what was the dollars per 100 Aviate tokens this week. It was 0.03, so the rewards were 0.03 US dollars per 100 Aviate tokens staked. Apparently, it takes a lot of time to take screenshots of allocations. And there's no point in screenshots as they can be easily faked. Fake or not, it's up to us to decide. You can at least show this much is in the spot. I'll shoot Josh a message. I think he thinks there's no point because so easily fake, but we'll see. Okay, so he's saying there's no point in giving everyone AV tokens. Time they offered those who bought in the pre-sale ability to cash AVI in for $1 per token. And what happened to Michael's bot doing 1% per day? Same story for the last 2 months. Okay, if the token wasn't worthless, I'm guessing he's going to say, I would dump this turd. I believe we need to see more transparency here. To be honest, I can understand the low reward, but not showing the screenshot of the trading capital. There's no reason why the team can't do it. I prefer results starting to look like PGV, move the goalpost, then lie, then pull the rug. I think we're entering phase 2. No reason. I don't plan on selling. I'm going to give this project the time it needs, but just show us the information. Let us decide how to interpret it. Fake, real. It takes 5 minutes to produce this information. I think that's a common theme that you're listening to here. It literally takes 2 minutes to make a screenshot. Okay, yeah, we're at the end here. I earn 1.35. 1.35 on 5,200. How is that even possible? It's mind-boggling. Like, did the bots trade $200 of the 1.5 million under management? Okay, so Aviate Discord, people aren't very happy. Okay, so again, it's over-promising and under-delivering, and no transparency, it seems. It just keeps repeating, this team have been asked things, simple things like prove trading logs, that kind of thing. Take screenshots of the amount of money in the project that it's actually there. And the team are just saying, oh well, we could easily fake this, so we're not going to take 2 minutes out of our day just to provide a screenshot that we could have faked. I mean, just provide the screenshot, guys, and even if it can easily be faked, just do it anyway, because people will just be happy that you've done something. That's all these people are asking who have invested $1.6 million. Okay, so it just seems a bit crazy to me. But anyway, this is the Aviate Discord. It's what people have been saying it. Clearly, people aren't happy with the project and the way it's going, and they're hoping things turn around.